Has this ever happened to you?
Hello, and welcome to Wireless Emporium's Disaster Relief Educational Video. I'm Rosemary, and for the next couple of minutes, I'll be walking you through the process of what to do should your phone end up soaking wet. Obviously, that opening montage was a little cheesy, but the fact is, accidents happen, and it's important that you know what to do should your phone end up in a toilet for some reason. First thing to know is your phone is not done for. It can be saved, and this is how. But first things first, and this is important, so pay attention. Do not push any buttons. This will send an electrical charge through your phone, which could cause a short circuit, in which case you now have a $500 paperweight.
Take your soaked cell phone in hand and carefully remove the battery. Also, go ahead and remove the SIM card if the phone has one. Towel off any excess water and then simply let it lay to dry for 24 to 48 hours. Your phone should be good as new.
Some people suggest putting the phone in rice or some other dehumidifier, but the only thing you really need is a little bit of patience. I know not being able to give your friends on Facebook a bite-by-bite update on what you're eating for lunch is hard, but having to shell a week's pay for a new phone is harder. So just follow these simple instructions and you'll be back to texting and tweeting again in no time.